Kindly subscribe to this channel. Farm it now. Have you ever planted something in your garden, only to find out it's actually illegal to grow in America? Sounds crazy, right? You'd think plants are just plants. But the truth is, some species are so invasive, dangerous, or environmentally destructive that they've been banned outright. In today's video, we're digging into 10 surprising garden crops you can't legally grow in America, and the fascinating reasons why. Crop number 1. Kudzu vine. Originally imported from Japan for soil control, kudzu grows fast, too fast. It can cover entire trees, power lines, even buildings. Some call it the vine that ate the South. It's banned in several states for smothering landscapes and killing native plants. Crop number 2. Japanese barberry. A favorite for ornamental gardens, until people realized it harbors ticks that spread Lyme disease. Now, it's banned or restricted in many northeastern states. Crop number 3. Water hyacinth. This floating plant looks stunning in ponds, but it spreads like wildfire. It blocks sunlight, depletes oxygen, and suffocates fish, making it illegal in most southern states. Crop number 4. Giant hogweed. It's tall, it's impressive, but also dangerous. Its sap can cause severe skin burns when exposed to sunlight. Authorities urge people not to plant or even touch it. Crop number 5. Tamarisk, salt cedar. Brought in for landscaping, this tree turned out to be a water hog. It drinks up massive amounts of groundwater, dries out rivers, and kills local vegetation. So many states have outlawed it. Crop number 6. Purple loosestrife. Once loved for its vibrant purple flowers, this wetland invader crowds out native plants and alters water flow. It's banned in multiple states and considered one of the most destructive invasive species in North America. Crop number 7. Sudan grass, certain varieties. While not all types are banned, some hybrids can cross-pollinate with wild grasses and spread plant diseases. Farmers must check regulations before planting. It's a controlled crop in several states. Crop number 8. Eucalyptus, certain species. These towering trees may look beautiful, but they shed flammable bark and leaves, creating massive wildfire risks. California has strict rules against planting certain eucalyptus species near residential zones. Crop number 9. Brazilian pepper tree. It might resemble holly with its bright red berries, but don't be fooled. This aggressive plant invades forests, kills native growth, and releases chemicals that stop other plants from growing. It's fully banned in Florida and surrounding areas. Crop number 10. Johnson grass, sorghum halepense. At first glance, it's just tall grass. But this one's a nightmare for farmers. It spreads through underground rhizomes and takes over entire fields, choking out valuable crops like corn and soybeans. It's banned as a noxious weed in more than half the US. Now here's where most gardeners slip up. They order seeds online without checking local laws. Some seed suppliers ship restricted plants by accident, and that can land you in trouble. Before you grow anything unfamiliar, visit your state's Department of Agriculture website. They usually publish an invasive species list. It's free, and it could save you a hefty fine or the loss of your plants. Also, be cautious when trading seeds in gardening forums or Facebook groups. If you see rare, banned, or imported in the title, double-check before planting. And here's a pro tip. If you love the look of one of these illegal plants, there's almost always a safe, non-invasive alternative that looks just as beautiful and doesn't harm your garden. So, what exactly makes a plant illegal to grow? It's not about how it looks or tastes, it's about what it does. If a crop spreads uncontrollably, carries plant diseases, or disrupts the natural balance, it gets labeled invasive or noxious. Think of it like a guest who comes to stay for a week, and never leaves, eats all your food, and locks you out of your own house. That's what invasive plants do to native species. They overstay their welcome and take over everything. So, the next time you see a plant that looks exotic or unusual, pause and ask, should I grow this? Because gardening isn't just about beauty, it's about balance, respect, and sustainability. Every seed we plant has an impact on the ecosystem around us. So let's be smart growers, nurturing gardens that give life, not take it away. If you learned something new today, give this video a thumbs up and share it with a fellow gardener. And hey, if you've ever accidentally grown a banned or invasive plant, tell us your story in the comments. We'd love to hear it. Until next time, happy gardening and stay curious.